Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your data with iDrive step by step clearly. Open the iDrive application on your device. Log in with your registered email and password. If you haven't set up an account yet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the Backup section. Select the Restore option. You will see a list of your backed up devices. Choose the device from which you want to recover the data. Select the type of data you wish to restore, such as documents, photos, or databases. Click on the specific folders or files for recovery. After selecting your files, press the Restore button. Choose whether you want to restore the files to their original location or a new folder. Confirm your selection and wait for the restoration process to complete. Check the designated location to ensure the files are restored successfully. If you encounter issues, refer to the Help section of iDrive for troubleshooting tips. For further assistance, consider reaching out to iDrive customer support. Your data should now be successfully recovered and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.